One day, one new agent startup. Today, we're going to talk about friendly AI. Every time an AI answers a question, somebody pays for the GPU running it. For a simple chatbot, it's okay, it's manageable. But when millions of users arrive or an AI starts planning, coding tools, and retraining tasks, the bill can explode. This is a problem friendly AI wants to solve. So let's go and have a look at the presentation. All right, so building AI is expensive. Running it is worse. It's super expensive actually because you don't pay much up until now because there are millions, if not hundreds of millions, waste. So you are not paying the real price for now. Every prompt, every token, every GPU cycle is super expensive. What's the problem when AI scales, costs rise, and response is slow? So that's why it may be really slow when you ask question because it's super expensive. So more users demand more CPU, and every idle cycle wastes money. So, so you need to be cheaper. You need to be cheaper. What's the solution? Friendly AI makes every GPU do more. So what's the basics? If every GPU do more, then you can do more tasks with the same amount of GPU. So you have more token, lower latency, and less infrastructure. Okay. What's different? Well, it's not a wrapper. It's not something that is on top of an AI. It's really what we call an inference stack. So the inference is when the AI is like thinking. So you need to optimize this especially. So the inference is what you need to optimize. You optimize the model down to the GPU. So even inside the GPU, you can optimize the model with custom kernel. Kernel is what's inside. It's a bit like the operation system of the GPU. Smart caching. Caching, that means that when you talk about something, it goes into memory and then it can reuse it. So this way it doesn't have to rethink about it. Continuous batching, speculative decoding, and parallel inference. So you have more tasks all at the time. One stack, three ways to build. So you have the inference core. Thanks to the inference core, you have the API. So you pay per token. You have some dedicated endpoint, so you can have pay per GPU and not pay per token. So you have like you rent like a part of a GPU, or you have containers like Docker. If you don't know, if you're not compatible with Dockers, it's like compartment with just your environment inside, and it's like closed environment, and nothing can go inside the environment. So it's great for this. Why now? But because because now you have a lot of AI agents, and it's not like just chatbot anymore. They need to work. They can do things on your computer. You have codecs. You have, for example, a codecs or Cloud Code. They do things on your computer. They organize things. You have agents running all the time. So it's not like before. You just have a question and answer, and that's it. Now it's more and more like you need to do some task. You can see it here. The AI agents need to plan, call some tools, evaluate, retry, redo the loop, and it's much, much more expensive. It's like 5 to 30 times more token per task. I think it can go even further. What's the competition? A lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. The market is crowded. It's normal that the market is crowded because this is one of the biggest problem in AI. You need to be cheaper. So you have a lot of competition. We saw one at the beginning of the YouTube videos. Don't remember the name. It was open source and it was Chinese. But you have a lot hyperscalers, open source engines, which was the one which we saw. Inference cloud. You have FriendliAI. So you have a lot because this is a big problem and because you need to have you need to solve this big problem. So that's why you have a lot. If you want to have a look at the website, this is Friendly AI. So as you can see, what we talked about, you have a dedicated endpoint, you have a new endpoint, you have the API, and for sure you can use all of the model, GLM, so the Chinese model, Minimax, but also Google, Gemma, some less famous. You have Kimi, DeepSeek. You have all of the famous ones. Okay. This is, I think, South Korean company. If you want to have a look, you have Twitter here, FriendliAI. So you can have a look. It's written San Francisco, but I think it's just it's not most of the job are not in San Francisco. Okay, and then you have LinkedIn, and you can have even the GitHub source code about this. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon for a new presentation of a new startup. Until then, have fun. Take care. Ciao, ciao.